makerspace is and what it's used for? Let's find out. So David, what is a makerspace?
Well, a makerspace is, curiously enough, a place where you make stuff. It's a space that you make stuff. So it is a place that typically includes things like 3D printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutter etchers, those kinds of things. And so you can make all manner of things that you can use in your home, you could sell, and then students can use it to learn.
So what courses do you use these devices in?
Well, currently we use them for engineering courses. So at this semester, for example, it's ECE 102, 103, 211, 212. So it's primarily just engineering. We've done some other kinds of things, like we actually provided 1,000 personal protective equipment for the Navajo Nation a while back. So we've used it for other things, but primarily it's been for students in engineering. Next semester, the spring semester, we're actually offering a course that anybody can sign up for, so they come learn to use this equipment and use it for their personal gratification.
That's awesome. So is this going to be open then to the general community at some point?
Right, that they will end up signing up for a half-credit course and learn how to use all this cool stuff.
Oh, that's way awesome. So David, can you show us some of the stuff and
sure.
So we can see how it works?
I'd like to start with, this is a model Mandalorian. Who doesn't know that? But
yay.
I didn't till the student showed me. We just printed one of these on one of the printers up front, and it's currently bathing right now to get support materials off. So you can do cool stuff like this, but this is not very educational. If you follow me,
That's still cool.
that before we talk about 3D printing, this is a vinyl cutter, and so we can make signs that go on walls, on computers. We can also do stickers that you could put in your back window to show the families, that everybody has. We can also do things with heat transfer, like this t-shirt. And so that's as simple, using all sciencey kinds of
cool.
fonts. So this is really cool. Another tool that we have is a laser cutter etcher. And so students made these signs to go along with some spaghetti bridges that they built in a class. But you can also do things like this to grill your salmon. You can make little whiteboard kinds of things. So it's a really useful tool. But if we look at this table right here, that this has 8 3D printers. We have 5 of this model, and you can see this one is printing a tarantula that a student created. We also have 3 of these white ones which came to us as part of a grant. And so here's 8. I don't know if you can focus way up front, that if you see by the windows up there, can't get parts for it anymore, but it still prints well. And then this is our most advanced printer. It can print in all kinds of things, including ABS, carbon fiber. It can even do stainless steel.
Wow.
But that's pricey, and we haven't got to the pricey part yet.
Sure,
and if we use this for prototyping, students can do the cheap plastic first, make sure all the tolerances are right, and then start moving up the hardness scale till they can get things like ABS, and then carbon fiber, then stainless steel. So got great hopes for what we can do with all of this. And we invite you to join the class, because this is not just for students. We can get faculty and staff to sign up for ECE 294 AC in the spring, half credit. Come join us.
Love to. Thank you for sharing.
You bet.